Hi, my name is Danielle. I'm a makeup artist, and today I'm here with Suavecita, and we're gonna be talking all about their brow pomade and newest eyebrow brush. The brow pomades come in 5 different shades. All of their products are vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. First thing I like to do is brush up the brow, just so you can see what kind of format you're working with and how you're gonna create the shape. I'm gonna dip it into the pomade. We're using ash brown. And I like to kind of warm it up on the back of my hand, just so you don't fully go into the brow and it be so pigmented. And I like to start at the base and build my foundation of how I want the shape. If you feel like you have too much product on your brush, you can always just wipe it off on the back of your hand. So I like to use very short, brush-like strokes. That way it manipulates it looking like hair. Once you get the foundation of how the shape of your brow is going to be, you can start building also at the top. I'm just grabbing very little product at a time and again warming it up on the back of my hand. So Jaleesa likes a nice, fully pigmented brow with a little bit thicker than her natural hair, same as me. So you kind of just build the shape that you want, but you still want to work off of the natural shape of your brow. So what I like to do is once I have the base of the end of my brow how I like, I've been using the brush this way. For the front, I'm gonna switch it up and use the very tip of the point and use up stroke motions. And again, I'm not taking any more product. You're just kind of working with the product that's already on the brow, because you don't want the front of your brow to look too harsh. So as you can see, using the upward motions in the front makes it a little less harsh than on the outside of the brow, to give you kind of that gradient look. So a little trick I like to do at the end after you have your shape is to clean up the brow. So I'm just using a little bit of concealer and the S204 brush, and I'm just using that to clean it up. If you ever feel like you have made any mistakes or you made your brow too thick, this is a great trick to do to get the last final shape that you want. Take a little bit and clean up the top as well. And last but not least, I like to take the spoolie, brush up any hairs, and also brush the front of the brow. And this is my final result. We achieved this natural brow by using just the brow pomade and their newest angled brow brush. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial gives you the confidence to try this look at home, and stay tuned for more tutorials coming soon.